Okay. I'm about to show you.
Y'all show me what? Why don't you like the cat?
Because he ate my fucking chicken.
And you don't want him to eat the salad?
Right. He's not getting no salad today.
You scared of this chicken? You scared of it?
Yeah.
She's so scared of a motherfucking cat.
He wants that salad bad.
Oh my god, what the fuck?
This cat is not moving because he wants to eat the salad.
Mom!
He's over there around the corner. He's looking at me. Watch this.
Are you scared of it?
Watch me.
Hold on, let me get it. Let me get the cat. Let me get the cat.
Watch. Get him. He over there. Go over there and see. Bet you he's still over there.
That little ass cat!
Yes, he wants that salad. He ain't getting that damn salad today.
He just left.
Is he gone?
Yeah, go see. I swear he gone. Go over there. He's gone. This is ridiculous. All because you're scared of a damn cat. So you put the salad out here on purpose just so the cat can try to get it so you can make it not get it?
Yep.
That's childish. Just because it ate your chicken. This was a whole 5 months ago.
He over there. He ate my chicken and my ribs.
This was like 5 months ago.
His friends. He ain't getting no salad today.
You childish. So you planted salad out here so the cat can think it can get it, but you wasn't gonna let it get it?
Nope.
And you scared of the cat?
Yep. Hello?